Hello, students. I am Dr. H.D. Mahar talking with you about the study of bryophyta. Okay, so let us study bryophyta. Bryophyta is told amphibia of botany. So why amphibia it is told? And amphibias or bryophytas, a middle group is Anthocerataceae or Anthoceratopsida. So, why Anthoceratopsida is called synthetic group? So, we shall see in these 2 points to the Bryophyta. So, Bryophyta is called amphibia because its habitat means where it lives. So water and flowing water or stagnant water or ever presenting moisture. Some bryophyta like Rixia grows on the wall, old wall or unlintered polished wall. So between water and land it lives. So amphibia mainly side by habitat, but scientifically point to is um, life cycle of bryophyta half completes in water and half completes in terrestrial place. I mean on land. So why it is being double? You know. Ah, it is correct. So I was telling you about the life cycle of bryophyta. That life cycle completes half in terrestrial on land and half life cycle completes in the water. That is during fertilization and to be zygote. Water is essential for fertilization to move the anthrozoids up to the Gynoecium archisporium. Here it is said. So, unorganized Gynoecium is Archegonium. So, in Archegonium, going to the anthrozoids, there needs water. So, half life cycle completes in water and half life cycle completes in land, although there is moisture. Thirdly, morphology and anatomy is half of aquatic nature, like rhizoids present, and half arboreal or aerial character, uh, like stomata present and elaters make the spore dehiscent in the air. So, these 3 points, first habitat, second completion of life cycle half in land and half in water, and third the morphology of the bryophyta like rhizoids present aquatic character and stomata and spore dehiscence by elaters is the aerial character. So both character is here found, and fourthly the geological timetable of the evolution. You know, zoological organism like protozoa, porifera, coelenterata, platyhelminthes, nematohelminthes, then annelida, then mollusca, then pisces, then aves, then chordata. Okay, hemichordata, urochordata, cephalochordata, etc., etc., vertebrata. So, uh, these development when Bryophyta was developing in geological timetable. At that time, Bryophyta was in existence on that same geological timetable during evolution. Is it clear? Evolution takes place biparallel. One line of zoology, second line of botany, and both lines are being developed. So when the Bryophyta was developing, then there was in zoological side amphibia developing during evolution. So the 4 points become here. So we can write here Bryophyta. 1 second. Here we can write the 4th point. It is not being, but you understood and write down. Okay. So second question, Anthocerati where synthetic group? Why synthetic group? The Anthocerati. So first we see introduction that Bryophyta is divided into 3 classes. First is Hepaticopsida. Hepatic, liver. Hepatic is zoological thing, liver. So flat structure, liver-like structure of Bryophyta called Hepaticopsida. Then Anthoceratopsida. Antho means parallel. And Ceros means horn. Horn. Sing, horn of cow. So horn. So parallel horn of the sporophyte. Elongated capsule में से is found in Anthoceratopsida. So it is called hornwort. Hornwort it is called. So first was Hepaticopsida, second is this Anthoceratopsida, our subject, and third is Bryopsida. Bryopsida group, like Mars funaria, you might have studied that erect gametophyta present bearing club-shaped sporangia or sporophyta. So this is the introduction of Anthoceratopsida, and only one typical species genus is Anthoceros. Here O is left, so let us make O. Anthoceros. Okay. So Anthoceros is synthetic group 5. So first cause is in the Anthoceros symbiosis started. When we see structure, then the lower side of the Anthoceros there are tubes, and there is tube in lower side of the Anthoceros body, and those tubes between rhizoids, and those tube goes to the main body of Anthoceros, and lower side there makes a globule, and there vena stalk like cyanobacteria or cyanophycean algae or cyanobacteria, which are prokaryotic. So prokaryotic have the shelter inside the Anthoceros. So symbiosis is started here. And third is, second point is here, second point, that development of stomata started in the Anthoceros group. So development of stomata is important thing to be gaseous exchange and entering the environment inside the body. So, respiratory system is started. So, development of stomata is started in Anthoceros or Bryophyta. Okay. It is also present in Rixia, Markensia, etc. But here in the all around the capsule, in capsule the stomata present. So here development of stomata in the sporophyte is started. Although gametophyte has stomata started from Rixia to the sphagnum like higher Bryophyta. But here stomata started in the sporophyte or capsular region, which is hornwort, horn-like structure. So there in the sporophyte stomata is started development. So this is synthetic group. Sporophyte is character of 2x life of higher, being higher like life, higher life. Like pteridophyta started from sporophyte life, 2x life. Main the pteridophyta is 2x. While in Bryophyta, main Bryophyta is only X, gametophyta. And sporophyta is started in the form of capsule on the gametophyta bearing and another structure, club type structure. Anthoceros you might have read. So in the sporophyte region, 2x region, started the stomata as main character to beside synthetic group for Anthoceratopsida. Okay? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you may write in group message. Study you write now. Whatever you don't understood in a four-side, 4 videos and this one with PPT, whatever you have confusion, you write in the group, please, and confirm your confusions. But it should be only botany, not another thing. Official thing you might send in another group. Okay? Yeah, I was telling about the Anthoceras synthetic group, and the third point is total endothecium max columella to start the steel, that is provascular bundle. Means starting of vascular bundle xylem phloem cambium, which is the affinity with the bone of vertebrates. You know, the bone of vertebrate is the affinity with the vascular bundle of higher plants like Gymnosperm, very strong vascular bundle called pycnogylic wood, furniture makes wood. So pycnogylic wood is hard wood, and which is not hard called softwood, monogylic. So very primitive vascular bundle are steel. So provascular bundle is steel, and steel is developed from columella. So here in Anthoceras, columella is starting to be pro-steel or provascular bundle, and the presence of columella makes it the synthetic group. So synthetic group of botany is, or synthetic group of what? Synthetic group of higher plants is the Anthoceras, means from Anthoceras there is a starting of the character of the higher plants. Although it is not called vascular plant, Bryophyta is not called vascular plant, but starting of Pteridophyta, which is included in vascular plant and seeded plant. Okay. So, first symbiosis is starting, and stomata in the sporophyte region is starting, and columella presence. These three characters makes the Anthoceratopsida as synthetic group. Is it clear? Now students, what do that Anthoceras is synthetic group? Question is, but they starting to write Anthoceras classification, Anthoceras habitat, structure, life cycles, all things, but they don't the point to these points, and their number is deducted. So you go to all those within the frame of the question and this answer. Okay. If you have any confusion in this matter, you may ask in group. Thank you.